Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 20. Today, we will explore transactions, a way to ensure data consistency and reliability. We will learn how to start, commit, and roll back transactions. A transaction is a unit of work in SQL. It groups multiple operations together, ensuring that either all succeed or none succeed. This prevents partial updates that could corrupt data. Begin transaction starts a new transaction. From this point, all operations are part of the transaction until you commit or roll back. Commit saves all changes made during the transaction permanently. Once committed, the changes cannot be undone. Rollback undoes all changes made during the transaction since begin. It is useful if something goes wrong and you want to cancel the transaction. Here is a classic example. Transferring money between accounts. Both updates must succeed together. If one fails, we roll back to ensure consistency. If an error occurs during the transfer, rollback cancels the transaction. This ensures no money is lost or duplicated. Transactions follow ACID properties. Atomicity ensures all or nothing. Consistency maintains valid state. Isolation prevents interference. And durability ensures changes persist after commit. Let us practice. Start a transaction to update salaries, commit changes if successful, and roll back if an error occurs. In e-commerce, transactions ensure reliability. Placing an order deducts stock, updates payment, and confirms the order. If payment fails, the transaction rolls back. Here are some mini challenges. Create a transaction for student enrollment. Roll back if course capacity is exceeded, and commit if enrollment is successful. Your assignment. Create accounts and orders tables. Write queries to transfer funds between accounts. Place an order with transaction logic and test rollback scenarios. To summarize, transactions group operations together. Begin starts, commit saves, and rollback undoes. Tomorrow, we will review week 3 before moving into real world applications.